So what we'll be demonstrating here is the installation of a downspout on one of our decorative gutters. The first thing to do or to note is that we do not drill or pre-drill the holes in your decorative gutters. The location of your downspouts will always depend on the drainage that you've installed around your greenhouse, whether you have it going into a storage system or just in the storm drain or whatever. This hole will be up to the installer to determine. So a good way to figure out where to drill your hole is to just line your downspout up with this hole on the center of your bar cap. And then from here, you can measure distance to the center of your downspout as to where you're going to want to drill your hole for your drain. So in this case, I will be about 4 3/8 of an inch from the end of my gutter to the center of my drain hole. So I've gone ahead and I've used a 2-inch round hole saw to cut the hole in the bottom of my decorative gutter. You'll notice the leaf catcher is straight on the sides, rounded on the edges, but it's a 2-inch round insert. And then what I'll quickly do before I get too far is actually drill the 4 attachment holes through the leaf catcher into the gutter, and then we'll go from there. So now that we have the leaf catcher in place, we can actually position our downspout over top of that. And we can just use these number 8 Tech screws that came with your gutter hardware. And all you need really here is just 1, maybe 2, just enough to hold it in place. So back to the gutter straps. Peel the protective film off before you apply it to your greenhouse. These are designed to actually just tie right into your screws in your caps. So if you want to just pull one of those screws out, and then put it back in just to secure your downspout. And there you have it.